During the day, the land heats and the temperature of the air in contact with the land rises, resulting in a low pressure over land. The temperature of the sea surface, and hence the temperature of the air over it, remains fairly constant, resulting in a relatively high pressure over the sea. When a high pressure is above the water and a lower pressure is above the land, conditions are perfect for a small breeze to develop. Sea breeze blows from the sea towards the land along the pressure gradient in an attempt to equalize the pressure. The sea breeze usually sets in by about 1000 or 1100 hours local time. It reaches a maximum force of 3 to 4 by about 1400 hours and dies down by about sunset.